press R, you will die. And everyone know that if you want to die, first you will go to menu, press reset and reset. So I will tell you a simple way to reset in Roblox Studio. So first go to player starter, go to here and in players starter script, local script, delete the old script, enter. The script is in the comments, so you can check it out. So now if I play it, if I press up, I will die. And another way is to remove this. If game progress, they return end. If I remove it, and then if I go to here and wait, now if I start it, you can see if I say R, I will die. If I click R, I will die. And this is the way how can you do it. If you have fun, bye bye, see you and tata. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.